What if I told you that the object known as 3I Atlas, drifting at the very edge of our solar system, isn't just a forgotten rock or an icy comet? What if it's something more? A relic of an ancient alien intelligence? Tonight, let's imagine the story that could unravel if 3I Atlas is, in fact, an interstellar spaceship. Let's dive into a paradox worthy of paradox worlds. It all begins with a strange transmission, accidentally picked up by an amateur radio operator in Alaska. At first, it's just static filling the air, but through the noise, a distinct pattern emerges, short bursts of energy, then deafening silence. Within hours, SETI confirms the impossible. The broadcast originates from somewhere beyond Neptune, dangerously close to the trajectory of 3I Atlas. Suddenly, every major observatory on the planet turns its gaze to this icy visitor. The object, once dismissed as just another deep space curiosity, becomes the center of global attention. But what truly stuns scientists isn't the signal itself. It's the rapid, inexplicable change in Atlas's trajectory. It accelerates just slightly, then stops, as if something deep inside were finally waking up. At NASA, officials hold hushed emergency meetings. The White House is briefed in the dead of night. Across the world, the internet explodes with theories. Atlas is here to watch us. It's a probe, maybe the first scout of an intergalactic fleet. Is it a friend or is it a foe? But the signal doesn't decode into words. We can't find a language. Instead, we detect patterns almost like musical notes, a symphony of mathematical harmonies we can barely recognize. The world media poses the question on everyone's mind. Is this an attempt at communication? A warning? Or is it just a mechanical heartbeat, pulsing away for thousands, maybe millions of years? As the days turn into weeks, a team of international scientists proposes a daring mission, Project Sisyphus. The plan? Send an unmanned probe on a collision course with 3I Atlas to analyze its surface and maybe, just maybe, get close enough to really listen. Against all fears and protests, the probe launches. Weeks later, as Atlas comes into razor-sharp focus, the probe transmits stunning images back to Earth. It's not just ice. We see metallic panels scarred and pitted by eons of cosmic radiation. We see geometric patterns, too precise to be natural, etched into the hull. And we see faint, eerie blue lights shining from deep within its structure. Social media erupts. If it's a ship, who built it? Are they still inside? Have we been watched for millennia without even knowing? Suddenly, the conversation is no longer about science, but about ethics. Should humanity try to communicate, or should we stay silent? What if the Atlas crew, if they ever existed, left warnings on their vessel, signals we haven't learned to read yet? Some voices call for extreme caution. Remember how explorers treated indigenous cultures? Are we about to become the indigenous in a story much, much older than Earth? You wake up every day to more speculation, more data, more rumors, and more fear. Governments argue over who has the right to answer the transmission. Activists stage global protests with signs that read, "No signals, don't awaken what we don't understand." And then one night, the world changes forever. Atlas emits a beam. It's not destructive, not a weapon. It's a vast, silent display of symbols projected into the sky. Brilliant lines of light connect to form sequences of triangles, circles, and star maps of distant, unknown constellations. Children around the world watch in awe. Scientists scramble, desperate to find meaning in the cosmic hieroglyphs. You just stand there, mesmerized, as history unfolds above you. But the conclusion to this story remains uncertain. Is Atlas waiting for a reply? Is it the tomb of a dead civilization, a sleeping giant, or just a magnificent artifact passing through? Does this incredible event mean we are not alone? Or does it mean the universe is far more silent and filled with more ghosts than we ever dared to fear? In the quiet that follows this grand display, humanity faces a choice. Do we reach out with everything we know, risking the unknown for a chance at connection? Or do we remain silent, content to witness the passing of a mystery that will forever change our place in the cosmos? So, if Atlas really is an alien spaceship, What would you do? Would you call out, hoping for friendship? Or would you hide, fearing the potential danger? Would you join the global debate or just watch as the night sky is rewritten with codes we may never solve? Let me know what you think down in the comments. This is What If Paradox Worlds, where every question has the power to change reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.